Hello, my name is Sushishiram Butler and I'm a sophomore at Westview High School in Portland, Oregon. Homelessness is haunting. It could be due to the wildfires that ripped through the state or the pandemic that plagued the whole world, or it could just be due to the perpetual nature. My colleagues and I decided to help the needy in two most possible ways. The first being, we decided to start a nonprofit organization that aims to provide supplies to the needy. The next step is to take similar information like this and make it accessible to the people in need. This is where Alleviate comes in. Alleviate is a mobile-based application that comes handy for the homeless people who are impoverished and deprived of basic necessities. This app has two main capabilities. The first, by utilizing geolocation feature, our app incorporates a location tracking capability which showcases nearby accessible food drives, clothing drives, soup kitchens, as well as nonprofit hospitals. Individuals below the poverty line can access over 1,000 nonprofit hospitals, 100 soup kitchens, 100 clothing drives, and many more based on their location. By releasing the app to nearby local markets and restaurants, we are planning to empower the homeless. While the targeted audience is not limited to homeless people, an important factor in the development of our application was human motivation. Alleviate does not solely rely on the aid of food donations and churches, but encourages the help of further volunteers. We embrace the fact that motivation could lead to a bigger change in the world. Alleviate provides rewards to users as a means of appreciation for completing activities that help impoverished families. Volunteers are able to publicize their goodwill within the app, fostering an environment of charity and largesse. JavaScript and Swift were the two main programs used to build this mobile application. As you can see here, these files that are named view controllers are the backbone for the application, as it consists all of the methods, classes, as well as APIs used. For example, when we take a look at the camera view controller, we can see that we are using the camera API, also known as application programming interface, that is already in the phone, so that the users will be able to take or upload any photos that they want to share with the media. When we take a look at the storyboard, this is the main place where all the UI UX design goes in. There are three responses to a piece of design: yes, no, and wow. My colleagues and I aimed for wow. This app is not just a location finder app. To make the app more engaging, we used a variety of UI objects to build the user interface, as it makes the users more comfortable while using the app. For example, we have the option of UI switch, which takes into account the activity selected by the users and rewards them points based on the activity. As you can see here, when we use the app to create a user, the user's information that was provided to us is stored in this database. This makes sure that the user's progress saves as well as provides us the information that showcases the user's will to strive. Swift and JavaScript helps the programmers to incorporate many functionalities of the app, like the inclusion of Firebase data store, as well as be useful when debugging of the app is necessary.